You gotta mess with it. Push it in, twist it, turn it.
Ah, got it. Late start to the vlog. It's already dark out. We're doing this kind of late, but it's been a busy day, man. So we're doing the relocation brackets on the stand right now, so I can mount the drag radials. It's going pretty smooth right now. Hopefully we'll get them on, do some pulls out there, and yeah.
Dig or die?
Dig or die. I don't know, man. Everyone keeps saying I'm gonna break some.
No, you'd be good.
I'm not gonna send it too hard. Everyone thinks I'm just gonna rev it up to like 4 or 3.5 or 4.5 and just dump the clutch and then boom.
No.
Relax, man. You gotta be smart with it.
We're gonna do the smart way.
Smart way. Look at my oh, yeah.
The head of the bolt will face towards the front of the car. This is where I always get confused. Alright, now we just gotta do that to the other side.
And that's it?
And then that's it. We gotta grind this off.
Oh yeah, we gotta cut that off.
Wait, what the? Oh, did they say it came with extra hardware? That's what it says?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So you're gonna need to get in a good...
In a what?
Good ass cut position.
Okay, good ass cut.
You might need to be...
He said, okay, good ass cut.
This,
we got the pump.
we might... Yup. Oh, man.
Alright, what are we doing?
You're gonna have to cut this straight across.
Let me get that light.
Alright.
Hold
on.
Yeah.
How do you want me to... First off, how do you want me to record?
Fine. Fuck it. Let me just... Yeah. Here, let's just put this camera like down here. And then that.
Look,
and then you face...
Just hit it. Yeah.
Put it down here. Put it down this way. Like right here, like this thing. Yeah, perfect. Camera's good in there, man.
Look. Don't like before you touch it. So make it do.
Hey, let me show him my first like cut ever.
Good ass grind.
It's alright, man. It's alright. I'm all sweaty. I'm a little sweaty. Jordan's doing the second one because I don't know about that first one. That's good. That looks dope. How many?
5.
Honestly, we didn't even load. Actually, I might. Maybe on bumps.
It'd be good. Dude, your other tires are like worse. You got hella room.
We didn't even raise the car up, guys. So we didn't even raise the front either, man. We were just like, whatever.
Oh yeah, you're good. You're good. Because since it's a smaller tire, it sits in there more, and it's not gonna poke out the road like we thought.
I mean, maybe when we are in the bumpy road, like you know, boom.
I think it's gonna be better than your street setup, these. Because you rub on.
Because these look, man.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna rub as bad on those. We'll see.
I mean, we can still raise it up in the future, but we're good for right now. Like,
Yeah.
it's already dark out. I don't really want to do like a full, you know, review right now. We're definitely gonna go out for a drive, and, you know, do some hits, but I'm not gonna do like first gear pulls right now or anything. We're just gonna take it slow. I want to wait till the daytime so we can get a nice video. This is Jordan Stang, by the way. Hit him up on Instagram. He's definitely trying to sell the Stang. Get a 06 or an 18. Someone buy his Stang. Hey Jordan, we need to buy it for his Stang, man.
What?
Hit this man up right here. How much you want for it?
16K, man.
We'll talk more about it during the daytime because they can't even see the car.
It's a good deal. It's a good deal.
Someone come take this 5-0. right, well, let's clean up and then.
Yeah.
All right. I just feel like better. Like I feel dope.
Yeah.
I feel good driving.
Got some meats on the back.
We're gonna go to the gas station.
Yep.
So remind me on the. Should we go on the way back?
Yeah, we'll go on the way back.
We're on the way back.
It don't matter.
So what? First launch right here?
Do it.
No.
Drop that clutch.
No. I'm telling you, man, we're not gonna just. People really think I'm about to just. Oh. Should I do like a little second? I felt a little difference, man.
Yeah.
A little different. Hey, we're not gonna get too ahead of ourselves.
Yeah, we gotta take our
Plus,
time.
it's dark. I wanna wait till it's light out and then I
Yeah.
can, do like a proper couple pulls.
Yeah. We'll just get the feel for it.
Yeah, get the feel for it. We don't wanna go too crazy.
Alright. Can't be breaking drive shafts over here.
Yeah, no, everyone really thinks I'm about to break some. And when we go to the drag strip, I mean, are we gonna go tomorrow?
I'm down. I'm definitely down.
Dude, we should just fucking go tomorrow, man.
I'm down. Just pick me up at work. We'll head straight there, bro.
Alright. I'm not gonna send it too hard.
Yeah.
And then after that, we can go to Mexico.
Yep.
Oh, I'm missing the little thing, but
Yeah.
yeah. We're not gonna go too crazy, man. Dude, you know how long it like, I've been talking about this for a long time. First I've been talking about boosters, now we're talking about radios. I'm telling y'all, one step at a time.
One step.
Finally got the SV drag wheels. Huge shout out to LMR for sending those out to me, man. I appreciate that. Link is down in the description. Come on, man, let's rock the same wheel. 15 by 10 SV drag wheel with 275 Mickey Thompson AT Street. So, woo-hoo. We go to the drag strip tomorrow, man. Hey, we might as well just give him a little like first gear. Just roll into
Just a little quickie.
Just a little.
Alright.
I'm just gonna roll into it.